Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher error 1.000.7. So it's very easy and simple. First up, what you need to do is just go to your Windows settings, and then you need to type in virus and threat protection, and you just need to go to your security systems. So mostly this issue is on Windows 11 PCs. So if you're on Windows 11, you just need to scroll down in your virus and threat protection, and you'll see a option of exclusions. So you need to press on add or remove exclusion. So you just need to press on exclusions, and once you do that, it will ask you to add exclusions. So you just need to go ahead and press on exclusions. So here, as you can see, I do have the option right over here. If I go to manage settings of virus and threat protection, but on your Windows 11 it will be right over here, but you just need to go to manage settings if you're in Windows 10, and right over here you'll see exclusions. Just going to press on add or remove exclusions, and then press yes. And right over here you'll be able to see that you can directly add an exclusion. So just simply press on that, and then you need to find the file or folder. So we're basically adding our Rockstar Launcher, so you just need to press on file, and then you need to find your Rockstar Launcher. So wherever you have downloaded your Rockstar Launcher, you just need to press on that and you're good to go. So once this is done, what you need to do is just go to your main screen again, and then you need to type in date and time. And right over here, just make sure that your date and time is synced to your real date and time, and it's actually right. If it's not, just simply press on set time automatically, or you can just set the date and time manually and set it to whatever it is. After doing that, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.